Hello friends, this is Atrika Valare from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn about and OR operator. So here, we will make a new file, tude24.py. Okay. Now, I will make two variables here, num1, 10 and num2, which will be 20. Okay. Now, we will use if statement here. If num1 is equals to 10. So this condition will be true only if our num1 will be equal to 10. Now we want that this condition should be true only when our num1 is equal to 10 and num2 is equal to 20. So we will use AND operator here. So AND num2 is equal to 20, right? Now this condition will only be true when both of these conditions are true. Our num1 is equal to 10 and num2 is equal to 20. So that means this condition is true because both the conditions are true. Here we will print conditions are true. Conditions are true. Okay. And else we will print copy and here we will write conditions are false. Okay. So if we will run it, wait a second. Yeah, you can see it is printing conditions are true because my num1 is equal to 10 and num2 is equal to 20. Both of my conditions are true. Now if any one of the condition is false, let's give num2 to be 30. See, if a num2 is equal to 30, so as you can see it is writing conditions are false, right? Because as you can see this condition is true but this condition is false. Our number is 20 here but we are comparing to 30, right? So that's why this whole condition is now false just because this one is false. Okay. So AND operator works only when both of the conditions are true. Okay. Now it doesn't mean that we can only take two values. We can take more values also. So here if we write AND, let's write num1 is less than num2. So yeah, this condition is also true, this one, because our num1 is 10 and num2 is 20. Our num1 is less than num2. So this condition is also true, this condition is also true, but as you can see this condition is false here. So it will say conditions are false. If I again write 20 here, you can see conditions are true because all the conditions are true now. Now let's see what is OR operator. Okay, so let's copy this one only and comment this out. Okay, now here let's remove this condition from here and let's write OR here. So as you can see both of my conditions are true. Our number is 10, num1 is 10 and num2 is 20, right? So you can see here that it is writing conditions are true. And suppose let's give this to be 30. Okay, and num2, we are comparing our num2 with 30. As you can see it is still writing condition are true. Condition is true. Okay, condition is false. See, Here let's write condition only. So here my one condition is false, but my one condition is still true. That's why our OR is returning this condition, because OR operators works even if only one condition is true. As you can see here, this condition is true. That's why it is making the whole condition, whole statement true. That's why it is returning this one. Now let's change both of the conditions. Now it will return conditions are false, because both of the conditions are false now, right? Neither our num1 is equal to 20 nor our num2 is equal to 30. Both of these are false. That's why whole statement is now false. Okay. So now let's comment this out and let me show it to you that how it is working. So let's copy this line, copy, and here we will print this one. Let's print this one only first. You can see it is returning true, because yes, my num1 is equal to 10, as you can see here, right? Now if I add this one also, and num2 is equal to 20, yes, my num2 is equal to 20 and my num1 is equal to 10. That's why it is returning true. Okay. Now if I change it to 30 here, num2, see, it is now false. And let's change num2 to 20 only and num1 to 5, let's say. We are comparing num1 with 5, right? See, it is false because my this condition is false, but my this condition is true. So here my one condition is false, that's why the whole statement is false. That's why it is returning false. Don't get confused, guys. Here we are comparing and here we have assigned the values to our variable. Okay. Now just like this, let's talk about OR print. Here let's see this one only, copy it and paste it. See, it is returning false. Why it is returning false? Because neither my num1 is equal to 20 nor my num2 is equal to 30. So let's make one condition true be true. See, now our whole statement is true just because our one condition is true. So that's the difference between AND operator and OR operator. Okay. AND operator works only when all the conditions are true, both the conditions are true, and OR operator works even when one condition is true. Hope I made myself clear. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.